Kanchipuram silk saree is a type of saree made in the Kanchipuram region in Tamil Nadu, India. These sarees are worn as bridal and special occasion sarees by most women in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It has been recognized as the geographical indications by the Government of India in 2005 to 2006. Kanchipuram silk sarees are woven from pure mulberry silk, while the silk belongs to South India. The pure gold and silver saree comes from Gujarat. The silk thread that is used to weave the sarees is dipped in the rice water and sun-dried before it is used in order to increase both its thickness and stiffness. The silk thread is then interlocked with the thin silver wire and woven through, after which a golden thread is used to complete the procedure. The wrap frame used to weave this fabric has about 60 holes in which there are 240 threads in the wrap and 250 to 3000 threads in the weft, giving it the sturdy feel. And pallu, the border and the body of the saree are generally woven separately and then the interlocked together with much precision and neatness. Price range. An original saree with pure silk and pure saree can cost anywhere between Rs 7,000 and Rs 2 lakhs. To cut down on the cost, you also get budgeted versions like pure silk plus imitation zari on the half silk saree, synthetic plus imitation zari, which manage to hold on to the sheen of the original but lose out the durability of the fabric. These sarees cost a lot less that can be brought at the price of just 2,000 to 5,000 rupees. However, these are not considered to be the original. How to identify Kanchipuram silk saree? One of the most telling signs is that the border of the saree and the body will be the total contrast. However, you do have cheaper versions in the market which follow the same design rules but make use of artificial saree. You need to look closely at the color of the finished saree work to identify a fake. One of the most foolproof ways to tell the difference between an original and fake Kanchipuram silk saree is to pick a few loose threads from the saree, burn them, pick the remaining ashes and smell it. You will be met with the smell similar to the burnt leather or hair. The one made using artificial fibers will not have ashes upon burning. Another easier and made durable test would be to look at the loose ends of zari in the saree. Pure zari is made of red silk thread that is then twisted with a silver thread and dipped in the gold. If you find a zari thread white or any other color, you can be certain that this is a fake. And silk mark also you can give pure Kanchipuram silk sarees. Owing to the thick fabric and deep colors mixed with hints of gold, this saree is preferred for festive occasions and celebrations. Like with most silk sarees, you can count on Kanchipuram or Kanchipuram silk sarees to be the perfect outfit choose when you are looking at classy ethnic options. Silk. The very name itself evokes delicate feelings. Silk is the most elegant textile in the world with unparalleled grandeur, natural sheen, and inherent affinity to dyes, high absorbance, lightweight, soft touch, and high durability, and is known as the queen of textile in the world ever. Silk has a sacred place in the cultural heritage of Indians and intermingled with the life and culture of Indians, which no other country can share. Silk saree is an important bridal wear, while traditional practice of wearing silk clothing on all auspicious days has been strengthened to the Indian silk in the domestic market. No other fabric has fascinated man so continuously over millennia are silk. Till today, no other fabric can match it, the luster and elegance. The saris are known for their vibrant colors and eye-catching designs, which are mainly inspired from the sculptures and figurines from the very many temples in this small village Kanchipuram. Since the pallu and the body of the sari differ in colors and design, you can expect a variety of contrasting shades too. How to care silk saris? Dry cleaning is the most preferred method to maintain the sari. However, if you do have to wash the sari at home, avoid using soap during the first 3 washes. A rinse in a cold water is more than enough. It is advisable to store the sari separately in a plastic or a sari bag. How many types of Kanchipuram saris? There are around 5 types of Kanchipuram saris in trend. Plain Kanchipuram silk sari with a gold border, temple border Kanchipuram silk sari, modern Kanchipuram silk saris, traditional Kanchipuram silk sari, floral weave Kanchipuram silk saris. Saris are one of the world's oldest surviving garments and were Indians' first seamless garments for women, and that has now become the symbol of Indian femininity. Today, wearing sari might be a fashion statement, but our ancestors wore it humble drop of thousands years ago. The origin of sari is traced back to the Indus Valley civilization in 2800 and 1800 BC, northwest India. Today, saris are going through a golden phase, which means not only the traditional varieties being rediscovered, but contemporary designs are also integrated along with it. While wearing a silk sari, Indian women are found to be graceful and beautiful.